why not, right? So I took a box of chocolate cake mix, and what do you think I used to mix it up in? You got it. the one I can never remember the name of, the whipping mix. Yes, that one. I mixed up my cake mix in here. So just mix up your cake mix like normal. And then those of you that have seen the new multi-cooker that's out, super exciting. It has these beautiful little ramekins that are with it. These little ramekins, see those? Can y'all see those okay? Cindy, can you see that? Okay, good. I can only see you there. I want to make myself giant. I really don't want to make myself giant, but anyway. So what you want to do is you want to fill these halfway. Not even quite halfway, about halfway. You can fit 6 of them down into the multi-cooker. And when you put all 6 of these down in there, put in the multi-cooker. And I'm going to tell you about that in just a second. I'm just waiting for it to come out of the microwave. Then you put them in there for 10 minutes, and it makes the absolute best, most delicious, amazing cupcake. They're so moist and wonderful. I poured them in funny, like let a couple of them run over to make them look ugly. But really, you don't have to do that. You can put them in there, tap them down to their level, and they're going to look really pretty. So this is going to make like a cupcake like this. You can ice it, or you can take your powdered sugar, and you can put some powdered sugar over the top of it. But I want to show you how you can use a snack cup to make bigger cupcakes. So did the same exact thing. Filled up the cupcake to about, let me see if you guys can see this okay. All right. Yes, you can see back here. Wonderful. Okay, so I filled up the snack cup to a half of the snack cup and put it in there for 10 minutes. It just came out. You guys just saw it. And let me show you what they look like. Grab another plate. This is kind of fun when we're in our own kitchen, because then we're like, oh, I have everything I need right here.
Did you put water in the bottom?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you all about that in a second. Since these were just coming out, I'm fast forwarding, and we're starting at the end and going back to the beginning in a second. It's backwards. So this is what they look like when they come out. Sorry, I'm having to use my phone on this thing. This is what they look like when they come out. And then watch this. I didn't spray them at all. And look how they come out. Are they the cutest? They're piping. They're so hot. I'm going to eat one and show you how good they are. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so here's how it works. Let me tell you all about our multi-cooker. Yes, I did have water in the bottom. Let me pour that hot water out so I don't burn myself. So with the multi-cooker, I'm going to tell you about all these pieces, because yes, it's fun to make cupcakes, but you can do so much more with it. So the way the multi-cooker works is you have all of these amazing pieces here, and you can use it for so many different things, which is why they call it the multi-cooker. The base, this large base right here, it's basically just a giant bowl, right? That's all it is. You can use this as a pasta maker. So you can put your pasta in here, put the water on top, put it in the microwave. Anytime you use it to make it as a pasta maker, you don't want to put a cover on top of it. Same thing with our regular pasta maker that's in the new brochure. Don't want to put the cover on top of it when you put it in the microwave. So number one, pasta maker. Then you can use it as a rice maker. So with that piece, you're going to, use it as a rice maker, you're going to put your rice in here with your water, and then you're going to use this piece right here. Let me bring that close to the camera so you can see it. It's like this. The way it goes into the multi-cooker is with the tabs on the top. And the way you're going to remember that is if it was in like this is flat and smooth, and you'd never be able to grab hold of it to take it out. That's how I learned. Because I was like, wow, I put it in wrong. So you're going to place that right on top. And then you're going to use, it's the only time you're ever going to use these two pieces is when you're using it as a rice maker. Then you're going to take this piece. And this is kind of like a compression seal. I think that's what they call this type of seal, because it presses on. And this little part right here is where kind of the magic happens. This is where all of the, when you make rice, it's got lots of foam and starch and all that stuff. That comes up in here, dissipates, settles on top of here, and that's how it handles the starch. So this just sits right on top. It's a compression seal, just seals right into place, and you're going to put that in the microwave. There's lots of different, depending on the rice you have, it comes with directions on how long you're going to cook it. So you'll be able to figure that one out. Then, so we've got a pasta maker, a rice maker. Then let's talk about how to use it as a steamer. So to use it as a steamer, what you want to do is you want to place water into the base. So this is going to hold your water. There are fill lines in here. You'll never be able to see these on camera. I already tried this last week, but there's fill lines in here. There's a little picture on the side, and it says, it has a picture of a rice grain, and then it has a max line. So you don't want to go above that. Then it has a picture of a pasta and the max line. You don't want to go above that. And then at the very bottom, you'll see a picture of like a broccoli. I don't know if it's a cauliflower or broccoli. Pick one. So you'll see that picture. When you go all the way down to the bottom, there's a fill line at the very bottom. It's 1 3/4 cup of water. That's how much it is. The reason that's important is if you don't put enough water, then you're not going to get enough steam. And the steam is what's going to cook your food. And if you put too much water, it's going to take too long for that water to boil. So you want to be around there. You don't have to be like, oh my gosh, I went, a teaspoon over. But you don't want to put 3 cups of water in there. All right, so 1 3/4 cup of water, put that down in the bottom. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put in our shielded base, our shielded colander. And they call it a shielded colander because you'll know when you pick it up, this is kind of heavy. The inside of this container, so the inside of this right here, there's metal inside of here. So that is to protect the microwaves from getting to the food. So your food's in here, chicken, shrimp, potatoes, broccoli, whatever you want to steam. Whenever the microwaves hit the side, they don't go to the food. Instead, they're redirected down to the bottom. What's at the bottom? The water tray, right? The water tray is down there. So now I've got water down here. The water's heating up. Water boils. It goes through the colander, and it steams your food. To keep the steam inside, you have to have the cover to it. That's going to be the last piece that you're going to put on top. The cover is also shielded. That means there's metal inside of here as well. So you're going to set this right on top, and then this is what goes in the microwave. Let's say you had 2 things that you wanted to cook, like maybe you have some chicken and potatoes and fresh broccoli. This really cool colander, this is more of a shallow colander. So the base is about 10.5 cups. This is about 2.5 cups. So you're going to place this right on top. So now it all stacks together just like our stack cooker does. And it's all protected. So you've got the shielded top, the shielded side, and it's a 100% pure steamer. That means that the healthiest way to cook your food is to steam it. It maintains the good amino acids, nutrients, vitamins. It's exposed to heat a shorter amount of time. So you not only keep the moisture in your food, but it's a healthier way of cooking your food. So now you can steam. So we've made pasta, we've made rice, we've steamed our veggies and our chicken or shrimp, whatever you want it to do. You could also, there's a really cool recipe where you can cook your pasta on the bottom. Then you can have your veggies in here and your chicken on top and cook it all at the same time. How crazy is that? So it's truly just like our stack cooker, how we can do a complete meal. It's the same thing. The difference is the steam is what's cooking your food, not the microwave that's cooking your food. So the cupcakes are just a fun thing. There's lots of cool desserts in there. With the new flyer, you do get the ramekins that come with it. These are an older color. But you get the ramekins that come with it that you can make flan, you can do little potatoes, you can make ugly cupcakes. Because a cupcake, whether it's ugly or pretty, they all taste the same. I'm gonna make sure of that. I'll do a taste test and confirm that. But yeah, that's your multi-cooker. It's awesome. You gotta give it a try.